Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. We talk a lot about staying healthy and fit, but we don't always discuss one of the most important organs, your kidneys. These hardworking organs filter your blood, remove waste, and help keep your whole body in balance. So, how do we show them some love? Today we're diving into the top 5 fruits that can naturally help cleanse your kidneys. We'll break down the science behind their benefits and how you can easily incorporate them into your diet. Stick around for all the juicy details, pun intended. Let's kick things off with a fan favorite, especially for those who've dealt with pesky UTIs, cranberries. These little red berries are packed with antioxidants and a special plant compound called proanthocyanidins, or PACs for short. PACs have been shown to inhibit bacteria like E. coli from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract. Why is this important for your kidneys? Well, untreated UTIs can actually spread to the kidneys, leading to more serious infections like pyelonephritis. Nobody wants that. So by preventing UTIs in the first place, cranberries indirectly help protect your kidneys. Whether you prefer them dried, juiced, or fresh, aim to incorporate cranberries into your diet regularly. Remember though, cranberry juice is often loaded with sugar, so opt for unsweetened versions or dilute it with water. And always check with your doctor before adding cranberry supplements to your routine, especially if you're on any medications. Next up, we have another berry bursting with goodness, blueberries. These little blue gems are nutritional powerhouses packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant color. Antioxidants help protect your body from free radical damage, which can harm cells and contribute to various diseases. When it comes to kidney health, studies suggest that the antioxidants in blueberries may help protect against kidney decline. One study found that regular blueberry consumption was associated with a slower decline in kidney function in people with chronic kidney disease. While more research is needed, these findings are certainly encouraging. Remember that old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, it turns out there's some truth to it, especially when it comes to kidney health. Apples are a fantastic source of fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and lower cholesterol. Why is this important for your kidneys? High cholesterol can damage blood vessels, including those in your kidneys, leading to decreased kidney function over time. By helping to manage cholesterol levels, apples indirectly contribute to kidney health. Plus, apples are a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is another risk factor for kidney disease, so maintaining healthy blood pressure is crucial. Moving on to a tart and tangy favorite, lemons. These citrus fruits are well known for their high vitamin C content, but did you know they're also great for kidney health? Lemons are packed with citric acid, which plays a key role in preventing kidney stones. Kidney stones form when certain minerals in your urine become concentrated and crystallize. Citric acid binds to these minerals, preventing them from forming stones and even breaking down small stones that have already formed. Increasing your citric acid intake can be as simple as adding a squeeze of lemon to your water throughout the day. You can also enjoy lemonade, but opt for homemade versions with less sugar. Last but certainly not least, we have the king of hydration, watermelon. This juicy fruit is made up of mostly water, as the name suggests, and is a natural diuretic. This means it helps flush out excess fluids and waste products from your body, including your kidneys. Watermelon is also a good source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may help protect against certain types of cancer, including kidney cancer. While more research is needed in this area, the potential benefits of lycopene make watermelon an even more appealing choice for kidney health. So, next time you're looking for a refreshing and hydrating snack, reach for a slice of watermelon. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is crucial for overall health and well-being. Incorporating these 5 fruits into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your kidneys naturally. As always, it's important to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Stay healthy, my friends.